Last year, Cricut started the Make It Forward Challenge to help kids in need celebrate their birthdays by teaming up with the Birthday Party Project. Cricut users donated more than 12,000 projects, and Cricut has just started round 2. For 5 weeks, Cricut users are invited to spread joy by making and creating projects to send to be used for kids who otherwise wouldn't be able to celebrate their birthdays. I'll let you know how it works and what's different this year. This is Ruth with Hank's Maker Mentor. The goal for the Make It Forward Challenge in 2022 is 50,000 projects, which can sound pretty overwhelming. But participating is simple, and for every 2 projects donated, they can throw 1 party. Step 1, pick your project. They suggest gender-neutral colors, images, and phrases. They need t-shirts, gifts, and cards. So whether you like to work with HTV, also known as iron-on, paper, or vinyl, including holographic and glitter versions, you can work with a material that you're comfortable with. From now until August 15th, projects and images in the Make It Forward collection are free to use. There are designs for shirts. They can use shirts all the way from youth extra small to adult 2XL, water bottles, pencil cases, cosmetic bags, banners, party decor, coloring pages, stickers, and cards. You can also create your own designs using Cricut images and fonts, licensed content that you've purchased, as well as designs that you have uploaded. They do ask that you stick to the suggested projects because those are the ones that the Birthday Party Project organization is in need of. Step 2, cut and assemble your project. Step 3, mail it to the Birthday Party Project in Dallas, Texas. You pay for shipping, so consider the most convenient and cheapest way for you as an individual. Step 4 is optional. You can share your project with the hashtag #MakeItForward on social media. All of that matches last year. What's different this year is the Give Back program. Cricut is going to donate 10% of selected material purchases from now until August 15th to the Birthday Party Project. I personally don't buy many Cricut brand materials, but if you need to stock up, now is a great time, since these ones are a great deal, and with 10% being given to the Birthday Party Project, you can't beat it. Cricut will be hosting free live workshops teaching you how to make birthday shirts. You can also join the official Cricut Facebook group, where August 6th will have a full day event with tutorials and challenges to get everybody making. I'm here to help you learn how to make. Let me know in the comments how I can best do that. If you want to learn more about the Make It Forward Challenge or the Birthday Party Project, check out the links I've included in the description of this video. I've also included links to Amazon products that I think would be great for this project if you need new blanks to do it with. They are affiliate links, which helps support me as a creator so that I can continue to make content for you. Thanks so much for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.